After teasers, OPPO has confirmed the launch of K13 5G smartphone in India on April 21st. OPPO K13 5G is confirmed to be available in icy purple and prism black colors. OPPO K13 retail box, which looks almost similar to other OPPO phones' retail boxes. The OPPO K13 is said to sport a 6.67-inch FHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset, a 4nm SoC with 1 prime core at 2.3 GHz, 3 performance cores at 2.2 GHz and 4 efficiency cores at 1.8 GHz. Run ColorOS 15 on Android 15 with an IP64 rating for dust and water resistance. The K13 5G sport a dual camera setup, a 50MP main sensor and a 2MP secondary lens, likely for depth sensing, paired with a 16MP front camera. The device is tipped to pack a massive 7000 mAh battery with 80W fast charging. The K13 5G, as a standard model, is expected to be slightly costlier, with estimates around 15,999 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.